Because this crash happened so close to the airport, we wanted to see the impact it had on other flights today. And KXAN's Amanda Brandeis joins us live from outside the terminal. Amanda?
Well, an ABIA official tells me it's business as usual here at the airport and that the crash didn't affect operations. However, we have learned that at least one plane was diverted. We spoke to several of those passengers.
Wheels were coming down and then we started rising again, and I thought, okay. The pilot came on and said that there's been an accident. They've closed the airport. We're diverting to San Antonio.
We asked ABIA officials about the plane diverting, and they didn't actually know about it. They say that's in control of the airline and that operationally it could have landed at the airport. We first heard about the diversion from a family who was waiting on their friend. Now, all in all, passengers landed here in Austin about an hour and 45 minutes later than they were scheduled to, but the ones I spoke with say they're just happy to have landed safely. Reporting live at ABIA, Amanda Brandeis, KXAN News.
And taking a closer look at the airplane involved in today's crash, this is a photo of that plane taken by photographer Charles Couch back in 2007. It's a Piper Aerostar 601P. Since 1983, NTSB records show 108 crashes involving this kind of plane. A little less than half of those were deadly. The last deadly crash happened more than 7 years ago in New York. In that case, the NTSB says pilot error was to blame. In August of 2004, the same type of plane crashed in Lakeway, killing 6 people on board. Investigators believe the pilot did not get enough airspeed on a short runway, causing a stall.
So what happens next? Well, the National Transportation Safety Board will lead up the investigation. To give you some perspective, in some cases, especially if it's a big crash, the NTSB dispatches what they call their GO team. That's 3 or 4 investigators who get to the scene as quickly as possible to start the crash investigation. In smaller cases, the NTSB may ask the Federal Aviation Administration to collect facts at the scene, and the NTSB will issue its report based on those findings. The NTSB investigates about 2,000 aviation cases each year.